Feed in poultry farming can take about 80% of the cost. So I've been researching ways to minimize feed costs and boost my profits. And I've finally hit one jackpot. Black soldier fly, rich in protein and fats and free from harmful pathogens, can be produced from poultry manure and kitchen waste. And this is free. I'm using my organic waste to produce important food components that is necessary for my poultry. This is just what I need and what my turkey needs. Poultry love black soldier fly larvae, and you should really set up your own BSF farm. It's easy, free, and very beneficial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to attract your own black soldier fly and make good use of your kitchen waste and poultry manure. My name is Henry Owusu-Boakye and welcome to Hobbs Ranch. So black soldier fly or BSF has been there for a very long time and is actually leveraged hugely in a lot of countries and in a lot of companies. These days, people actually process their organic waste using black soldier fly. The importance of using black soldier fly is that after the whole process, you get a protein-rich feed that can be used to feed poultry or fish. And aside that, you also get a processed fertilizer that can be used for plants. To attract your black soldier fly, the first thing you need is a container. You need a container that is large enough to contain your organic waste. So the next thing obviously is your organic waste or an attractant. The best attractant for BSF to lay eggs is meat or anything that has a foul smell when rotten, like poultry manure. Another good attractant is rice or maize or organic waste that ferment during their decomposition. You can also mix the two up to get a very good attractant and a good result. I prefer to use poultry manure or rice from leftover schools. After you've gotten your attractant, you make sure to mix it with water to moisten but not make it watery. So you make it moist but not watery, and then set it up in a very cool location where it won't be disturbed by chickens or any other animal. After setting up your attractant, you need to wait for about 2 weeks and check it out to see if it's been successful. If it's successful, you will see BSF larvae in your setup after 2 weeks, and they should be large enough for you to see, just like you see in the video. Okay guys, that's basically how you can attract your own BSF and get your own free protein from the wild. However, if you don't want to continue using this method to attract BSF, I'm going to set up a BSF farm, a cage for my BSF, so I can continually get BSF eggs and larvae without having to always attract them. So watch out for the next video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't, so YouTube will notify you. Thanks for watching, like, and all the best with setting up your BSF cage. Bye.